What's up, y'all? It's your girl Breezy Acrylics, and I'm back with another video. Whether you are new or returning, thank you so much for choosing me to watch. You are greatly appreciated. As you can tell by the title of this video, we're gonna be doing something that's so chill. I'm just gonna be chit-chatting with y'all and doing my nails. Let's go ahead and jump straight into it. If you know, you know. I love this OG French tip so bad. Even though it's simple, it's a simple way to keep your nails done. I'm all for something quick to do something to my nails. I'm trying to get into this habit where I'm keeping my nails done more frequently because there's sometimes I don't have the time, or I just don't even be caring to have my nails done, and that is crazy. We're gonna keep our nails done all 2026, even if it's something simple like a one color. I did have a gel set on prior to this. I had it on for like 3 weeks. They were bad, honey. They were so bad. I was not taking care of them. I was neglecting the heck out of those things. I don't know why. I just been so busy. I didn't really have time to service myself, but I said, you know what? I have an hour to get myself together, and why not film? It's been a while since I've actually sit here and chit chatted with y'all. So yeah, hope y'all having an amazing week. It is currently 1 in the morning when I'm editing this video, and I told y'all I wasn't going to sleep until it goes up. I'm not going to sleep until it goes up. This is super simple. I don't know if I have a tutorial up for this on my channel. I might. The OG French, what I like to call it, I don't know the actual name for it. You basically just take the white nail tip and put it on there, and I'm using a pink cover acrylic to put on my natural nail, and then I encapsulate it with a clear acrylic just to give it some structure. Yes, even though they're short, I'm giving it some structure. I do not care. I don't want my sides cracking, breaking, none of that. And it will if they're short. They still will. I hope you know that. I'm just going in with filing these sides. Speaking of filing the sides, I'm seeing this everywhere. Maybe I'm just having this problem, but I have seen it in a couple other videos as well. Why aren't the white nail tips tapered? These bulky white nail tips, I mean, granted, I do love the look of them because they kind of give like overlay once you're finished, but kind of like not an overlay look. If you look twice at it again, it's like, okay, these are, you know what I'm saying? These are kind of giving right natural nails. As y'all could see, my nails were chewed like bad. I need to stop. I had that gel set on for 3 weeks, and I'm ashamed. I was very neglectful with my own nails. I don't do that with y'all's, but mine, I'll neglect it maybe once or twice. As y'all can see, I'm priming and dehydrating my nails. I don't know why I even did that because I've maybe had these on for 4 days now, and I'm ready for them to come off. I'm ready for the next set, ready for the next design. I have 60,000 million gajillion inspo sets in my phone, and I'm ready to do something else. I should have just removed the shine with my EFile and just kept it going. You guys are going to see me going with this pink acrylic. I really want to discuss this because I am so used to doing a one bead method and just fully covering the nail. That is too much acrylic for that. But as you'll see, as I progress through my hand, you'll see that I kind of figure out how much do I need to kind of cover the surface area and to not basically avoid this, what I'm doing right now, trying to fix it. I did dehydrate the bead, so I was kind of like working fast, trying to keep up the pace a little bit so it didn't set too quickly for me, even though I wanted it to set quickly. It was cold that night, so that's that. You see it's a smaller bead here. I saw a comment about someone saying that the pink should never touch the white, and how do y'all feel about that? Me personally, the pink is going to touch the white tip. It's going to touch it, especially if the bead is a bit bigger. I try to clean it up as much as I possibly can, but I'm not stressing it. As long as it's not touching my skin, and as long as it's not too bulky for, you know, the structure of the nail, I really don't care. I'm gonna encapsulate it anyway, and the pink really didn't affect the outcome of this set too much, even though I could see a little bit on the, you know, the white tip. How are y'all feeling about that situation? As you see here, I'm gonna remove some of the acrylic from the thumb as well. I'm so used to that one bead method. Once you just get used to doing it, especially on short nails, you'll never go back. Look how crispy these are. Chef's kiss, girl. Something quick and simple like this, it should literally be a crime. Lock me up right now. I'm going in with clear acrylic. Now that I'm watching this, what I should have done was put a layer of clear acrylic on the white nail tip before I started with the pink, just because I feel like when you are doing like a nail style like this, kind of have to have more structure on the nail, or else, like I was saying before, the sides will break. Luckily they haven't yet, and they shouldn't before I decide to take them off. It's just something, I don't know, I'm always, you know, nail techs are always evaluating their work, and I'm always looking to improve and get better. Even if it's just something on myself, I'm always looking for improvement areas. I did cut most of this video out. Y'all know I love me a good short 5-minute video, but I was like, you know what, they deserve a little bit more. We haven't chit chatted in a while, and why not just talk it up? Why not? Another question that I have for you guys is, have you gotten this done before? This is something I will always rewind back. This style will never go out of style for me. Look how crispy. I just want to Just love, love, love this. Can't forget the thumb. Yeah, I be leaving the thumbs out in the pictures too when I be looking for the inspo. I need to stop doing that. Show them thumbs. I know they look super good. Or do y'all be being lazy with the thumbs? Let me know down below. Let me know something. Maybe I'm missing something. But yeah, as you can see, I really didn't have to go in with a file, but I wanted that super crispy square look and I wanted them a bit shorter, so I did just file them down just a little bit more. I like when the fingertip is showing over the nails. I don't know, that's just my style. Like when I say short, I mean short. That's just how I like to roll with my nails. Mainly on my left hand, I do not do anything longer than this length. Occasionally on my right hand, I might do like a medium or maybe a long. If it's long, it's definitely coming off as quickly as possible because my right hand is my dominant hand. I wanted to skip filing altogether. Honestly, I was gonna go in with just a hand file, but I said no, I'm gonna do my EFile, hit it with the 2-in-1. I'm gonna seal the cuticle and also just smooth the surface. This is a 240 grit sanding band. That's how I was able to complete this in under 40 minutes, honestly. Maybe I'll go in with some cheetah print on the white nail tip before I do the pink acrylic. But yes, on to my favorite part. I love a good top coated set. I almost contemplated leaving it matte just because after I finished application, I was just like, oh my god, I'm in awe. Looks so good. I was like, you know what? No, we gotta put this top coat on there. All in all, this set came out so good. Next time I'm gonna have some questions for you guys so I can answer them while I'm doing it, so you're just not, you know, getting your head talked off by me. But let me know if you like this zap session. I like sitting down and just being myself, so I think this really was a good way for me to do that and not be so, you know, strict and on a schedule. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed this set as much as I did. If you would like to dive into the products that I used to create this set, be sure to check the description down below. I have everything linked to my storefront except for the nail tips. They're from my local nail supply. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.